Hey, Poor Guy Outdoor Cooking. Hey, folks, how are you? Hey, we got another Monument Grill here that was sent to us. These folks are a good partner of Poor Guy Outdoor Cooking. This is one of their newest propane grills. The model is M400MF. I'm not really sure what that stands for. It's a new model and it's going to be on sale for the Christmas season. And I will share a link that will bring you to the Amazon account for this, and you can take a look at it. But for this video, we're going to go ahead and open this up. We're going to build it, and we'll fire it up here in the Poor Guy garage. I'll open the garage door when we put the propane in there and fire it up. But yeah, they sent this to us and asked us to do a video, and it's perfect for holiday season if you're looking to get somebody a nice propane gas grill. Perfect, and you'll see when you check out the link that it's a great grill and a good price on it. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I'm going to take out all the parts and show you all the parts, and I won't do an assembly video because it's kind of lengthy and boring, but get this thing all built up and fire it up. All right, come on back. Peace. And here's the parts. Woo! Okay, all unpacked, and as you can tell, it's a stainless steel color, kind of silverish, grayish. I'll tell you what, Monument Grills does an excellent job of packing these. It takes quite a while just to get it out. Lots of styrofoam. As you can see, nothing is damaged at all. There's no dents or anything in it. Very well packed. Yeah, it's a 4-burner. We're excited about that. Now, gas grills, you know, they're nice to have. They're very handy to have, and you just fire these suckers up and cook your steaks and burgers and hot dogs and chicken, whatever you want, just like that. Monument Grills is an awesome company with an awesome product. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and build this, and then I'll talk about the features of this sucker and share that link for y'all. If you want to get somebody a nice Christmas present that's not going to break the bank, Monument Grills. Peace. And we're back. Hey, we got it built. Aiden, my son over there, he helped build it. It took about an hour. Overall, not too bad. The very first part was confusing, building the frame of this, but we got it figured out. And it's a beautiful grill. I'll tell you what, we got the propane hooked up. So this one here, you got the wheels in the back, so you can move it real easy. We're just over in the side yard. This shelf right here stays put, I guess, so you can pull around with the wheels being over here. And this side collapses nicely. So you have that fold away option that's nice with Monument Grills. I know this model comes in 2 different colors, I believe black and this chrome silver. You got the clear view window. Once again, Monument changed it. They used to have the thermometer here, and they moved it up away from the glass so you can clearly see what you're cooking without opening up the lid. And my other 2 Monument Grills, the glass stays pretty clear, so the more you use it, you can still see through there nicely. The thermometer here goes up to 800 degrees. You got the nice shiny silver knobs, and then one ignition there. And we were testing it out before we came back. And one nice thing is you can start any of these burners up, even if you want to start this far side up. Just click it to position, and there you go. And literally you can do any one you want. And you're good to go. So that just takes a little battery, which comes included. Porcelain coated, or enamel coated cast iron cooking grates. These are nice and solid. And you have your deflectors for your burners, so food's not splashing on it. Typical with Monument Grills, they have the grease tray underneath, so there's a big tray that can come out, and it siphons down into that small tray, so it makes cleanup real easy. I can attest to that from owning 2 of them already. I do like this model. I like the looks of it. It's very streamlined. There's no nonsense. It's nice and clean. It doesn't weigh a ton, so if you do need to move it around, you can do that easily. Just pick up the one side, and it's got these big sturdy plastic wheels on it. Of course, the beautiful Monument Grills logo here in the front. And then when you open it up, you can see it here in the back too. So it's a quality grill, and I know from experience owning a portable one and a 2-burner that they are great to have, because sometimes, you know, with the gas grill, you just want to get out there and grill real quick. Yeah, you're not going to get that smoke flavor you would from charcoal or wood, but yeah, they're very convenient. So you want to cook up some hamburgers real quick, boom, start it up, and you're good to go. We are going to do some cooking on this video in future videos. I'm sorry, we're going to do some cooking on this grill in future videos coming up here shortly. But I wanted to get this out and show everybody that this would be a great Christmas gift. And I'll share the Amazon link, and their Black Friday for Amazon, I believe, starts the 21st and goes through the 29th. So if you hit that link, it'll talk about this and the pricing on these and accessories that you can get from Monument Grills. We're real privileged to have these folks that are getting a hold of us and sending us their products so we can review them, and I wouldn't do that unless I stood behind them. So for a gas grill, this is a good one to go. 4 burners, nice and big, and don't forget, you got your bottle opener here on the side. So stay tuned, the Poor Guy Outdoor Cooking, to see more cooking videos on this and see how we like it. And if you're new here, feel free to subscribe and look up monumentgrills.com. And they do have a YouTube channel as well that has a lot of useful information on it, on these grills, and feel free to check them out on Amazon too. So okay, that's what we got. Stay tuned for some cooking videos on this sucker, and we appreciate you stopping by.